Hi there. Today we're unboxing a Kenmore HV3005 handheld vacuum, 11.1 volt. Currently it's on sale at Amazon for $59.99 for the Black Friday. .1 volt Kenmore. Here's the model number, HV3005. Contains a hand vacuum charging base, 2-in-1 combo tool, upholstery tool, filter, charger. Here's the user guide. And says make sure the vacuum is fully charged before using for the first time. May take about 4 hours to charge completely if fully discharged. Hopefully it already has some charge, but I'll do as it says and charge it up. It's all plastic. Little kind of hair grabbers there, I guess. Crevice tool with the attached brush. Power cord. It's your charging base. That was one of the things I liked about this, was it has a stand-up base just to set it in to charge. There's the vacuum. So I'll get this charged up and then do a test. Here's the base set up. This top piece just clicks into the base, and then it's got holders back here for your accessories. And plug in here on the side. And hopefully just set this in here to charge. The light's green, it's done charging. I'll give this a little test. I put some cat food and some cereal on the floor here. I'm gonna test it with the extension crevice tool on. And the hairbrush tool. Okay, that's the unboxing and first use of the Kenmore. It's okay. I think it'll be good for just quick light pickups. Little concerned about this plastic switch to open that door. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Okay, thank you for watching.